We're going to look at smart objects next. So what's so good about them? Well, basically they enable us to keep the original high-resolution version of graphics inside the same PSD, even if we make changes to the smart object layer. It can also be used for multiple purposes and is a really flexible way to work. Select the group, then go to the menu icon in the Layers palette and select Convert to Smart Object. Now you can see there is a white and black square icon. This now means we have a temporary PSB file where the original file is kept at its high resolution. If you double-click the smart object, you can now open it up. Now we can see the PSB file, which is inside our original PSD. Now let's scale the statue down in our original PSD file using Ctrl and T or Command and T on Mac. I'll reduce it down quite small, then click the tick in the menu when it's scaled. Now when we zoom in we can see it's pixelated, but the really good thing is that the original file and layers are still untouched inside the smart object. So let's double click on the smart object and we can now see the original statue file with the original groups and layers. Let's make a radical change to the smart object file, the PSB, to see how this works. Let's go to the Layers palette and make an adjustment layer and choose Hue Saturation. Let's make it bright red, then save the change in the smart object using Ctrl and S on PC or Command and S on Mac. Now it automatically updates the small resolution version. This is a really useful technique because if you're making things like tiles, you might want to see the detail reduced down but still retain the high resolution version. Smart objects are really good for your workflow and I recommend testing out the different things you can do with them.